At Boat Bike Tours, we believe it's important to take good care of our planet. That's why we've been working for many years to make our trips more sustainable. To speed up this process, we founded the Greenway Foundation in 2024.
The Greenway Foundation is supporting barge owners with knowledge and finances to improve the sustainability of their barges.
For every guest, Boat Bike Tours donates a contribution to the foundation.
The Greenway Foundation supported a few important projects already. One of them is that we help barge owners to use a cleaner fuel.
Thanks to Greenway, many of our ships now run on the biofuel HVO, an almost CO₂-neutral alternative to diesel. It burns cleanly, doesn't smell, and reduces CO₂ emissions by about 89%.
We did a pilot in 2024, and in 2025 we have 80% of the Dutch fleet sailing on HVO.
We're also installing smart meters in the engine rooms. These give captains insight into fuel and electricity use, helping them to sail more efficiently, and allowing us to calculate our CO₂ footprint more accurately.
Together with Boat Bike Tours and the financial help of the Cross Retour program, we are launching a pilot on 2 ships for the monitoring of our fuel consumption.
In the next months, the smart technology will be installed on all Boat Bike Tours ships in the Netherlands.
Another project the Greenway Foundation supports is the installation of batteries and solar panels, and some of the ship's owners already installed solar panels and batteries, and we help them in a financial way with that, and that really helps. And I heard from barge owners that it's about 20% the reduction of the use of diesel.
Step by step, we're working together towards cleaner journeys and a greener future.